everyone, welcome back to Practice Gaming. Now I got my GoPro on my head. We got Brad, and then we got
JD.
And then behind this couch here, we got
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Nah, I'm Andrew.
And then the guy with the camera, the very own me, Practice Gaming. Now I'm gonna put the GoPro back on. Alright, so Brad or JD care to explain the rules and what we're doing today?
We have a Nerf fight.
Yeah.
Nerf war. Oh, is the camera on your head? Or?
Yeah, I'm using it on my head.
So they can't see you.
Not right, no, they can't.
No, they just see how ugly I am.
How ugly all of us are.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah,
Hey, I'm beautiful in my own way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Everyone is. But I'm just an ugly potato, Andrew.
Hey,
Huh?
Is it a Christian stream? Do we need to watch your language?
No.
No, this is not a Christian channel.
Well, fuck you!
Well, that's a nice looking clip.
It's a...
So Brad, care to explain the rules?
Basically we would have a Nerf before, what's the grenades count?
That was a one hit.
One hit.
If it hits
Yeah.
them
One hit.
directly, it's a one
and
kill.
the last time we also ruled that if they hit the shields, take
Shields
damage.
are
Shields are destroyed.
Plenty enough.
My foot! Andrew, my
Regulars
foot!
are one shot. Vegas are worth two. Headshots are doubled.
So,
Take 2 damage a headshot and
You
3
need
shots body.
3
3 body.
three for small body, 2 for head on small, and the large shots it's 2 body and 1 head.
Yeah.
And then for the big grenades, just 1 hit overall.
Unless it gets hit by the shield.
Begin! I got you once in the head, JD.
Yeah. That was a small one.
And then little whoa. Woo! Got me in the head, Brad. That's 1. Whoa.
You okay?
Yep, that's 2. I'm out. Hold fire for me to get to safe zone.
Alright, ceasefire. Smoke him if you got him.
Alright, resume.
You got 1 headshot, I got 1 body shot.
Yeah, Brad, you got me twice in the head. You got me once in the eye and once on the tip. What weapon was that?
That was 2 guns.
Come on, Andrew, you can do it.
That's not what she said.
Woo! Oh, by the way, ricochet does not count.
Okay.
Because when it comes to us, we're at a disadvantage. Because we're so close to the blinds.
You guys, we got that big backspace that I mean, man.
Yeah. Hey, Brad, do you mind if I grab a water bottle?
Yeah, sure. I don't have any cold ones, so you're welcome to them.
Thank you.
I'm dead.
JD and Brad win round 1.
I'm at a kind of disadvantage here. And Johnny, when your gun's clogged up on, I had to unclog it when they were making their plan.
Oh, I'm sorry. You there? Let's see. You're almost loose. Let me refill you too. We got tons of ammo in the middle.
Yeah, no.
Well, how is it still? It's still filled with pieces of ammo.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Where are you gonna use restroom, JD?
No, he's going to grab another couple guns.
All right. Well, we're gonna be over here filling up some weapons or clips, not weapons, but clips. Yeah.
That's not
And that area is supposed to be the safe zone, so technically JD broke the rule.
I didn't know he was gonna take the back alley.
No, that I declare that's a neutral zone. So if they got in there,
They can't fire.
they can just. I'm taking one of these.
Which one?
Okay, I got tons of those from donating to Arby's. So.
I'm also taking the GoPro.
No.
We might as well just take all these and throw them in on your side.
Pretty much, yeah. That's all this way. Oh, remember last time when Ben tripped over a table and hurt his leg?
God, yeah.
And then he shot you in the nuts, Brad?
Well, no,
I missed that?
That's when I breached on him.
Yeah. And that was shortly after you left. Ben tripped over a table and shot Brad in the nuts.
Yeah, he got me in the nuts, but I won that round.
I think tactical shots should be insta-kill like Elite Sniper 4.
He was already down by that time, though.
Yeah, he was already shot like, what, 5-8 times?
Yeah, because that's when I rushed you guys with the Mastodon, and I was able to get to him beforehand. It was afterwards that you shot. It was after we were done fighting that you shot, that he got me in the nuts.
Yeah.
I got my ticket for the long way round. I'm not a Pikachu. I'm an Irishman. There's a difference.
I'm gonna capture you. How dare you block my master ball?
It's not the Master Ball.
Or quick ball, whatever you want to call it.
Oh my lord.
I captured you. You're now mine.
The hell? This video is gonna be entirely weird.
This is a netball.
Hey, I don't know.
You're a Kappa.
God.
Hey.
Have you played the freaking Pokemon?
It's
No,
been
that's
since
not.
Pokemon Yellow on the
You're saying that on
Game Boy Color.
Keep in mind you're saying that on YouTube right now, so God knows how many people are gonna be like, you gotta play Pokemon!
You're gonna play the most recent Pokemon.
Okay, hop on. Let's go, Pikachu.
Giggy, you're a magic art. I catch you.
Now he's
You're
a
orange and red. And your
hair is black.
well, no, white for the doodle.
Dare you show my face in public places.
Hey, I asked for permission. I did ask.
If you do edit your videos, I want at some point to have like my face scrambled with all that like pixelation crap. That voice modulation of I wish me won.
I wish I was dead.
I'll do it just.
No, you can't do it. Oh boy.
Considering the pickups on your thing's pretty good, I don't know if we need to be streaming. I'm not sure how well your audience is gonna take that.
No, probably not very
We don't
well.
know what age group his audience is.
Currently our age group, because everyone that's currently subscribed is people that I know.
It's a pretty diverse age group right there.
Yeah, anywhere between the age of like anywhere between the age 16 and 30 is our audience age group.
Because we shot you, isn't it?
No, it's because JD went in the like non-movable zone.
Yeah, we take the kitchen again.
I thought we clarified that last time.
We didn't at the start of this one though, so that was our bad.
And it's fine.
Alright.
Change my state. You're not going forward.
Knife to meet you. Shoot. No! That hit my nuts.
Just the tip.
Yeah, just a tip.
Just the
Alright,
You know what? I'm taking down your Where?
To the kitchen.
where's our shield? I am now Fumi Iwatani, and I'm the shield hero!
Alright. Did you go through the arc of being accused of rape yet?
Yes! I hate everyone because of it!
Equip your rage shield.
Have you learned to control it?
No.
I'll bring glass in here, motherfucker. Don't push it.
I need 3.
Who what?
There we go.
Not total.
You have 3 balls. That's a birth defect.
You should do something about that. Well, if you have 4, you should go to doctor, get one cut out, then go to carnival.
The bullets they missed us with. Real clip. Don't think I didn't see that.
Alright, are we ready for round 2?
Round 2. You're lucky they shot over. Right?
Round 2! Start!
Wait.
I know, we're not starting yet.
Duck your cover. There's a shelter right there.
Ah! Alright, that starts it!
Did I hit anybody?
No.
Damn it.
What's that? Woo! That was close. That was in my head.
Well, I'm not dead yet.
I got Brad!
Oh, you did?
Yep, I got Brad!
You got me twice in the head.
Well, leave your gun.
Sorry, Brad. I actually hit you in the shoulder.
That's alright.
Hey.
You're dead.
Wow, that was a quick game.
Before you got any momentum.
I kind of do need a shield.
I crawled my way.
Then the gun jammed on me. What was I supposed to do?
This gun jams as well sometimes.
We creamed him! And that was only like 2 minutes. That was real quick. We need Ben up in here.
Not too tall.
Well, JD has the taller defense though, so
Yeah, that's why I need the shield.
I just kind of lay my entire body across the couch,
Yeah.
so I don't have much weaknesses until John.
This will be the niche that gets your channel that goes viral on your.
Dude, that'd be hilarious if it does.
There's 4 people just acting stupid.
Nerf sends a. Well, there's a guy who makes like a YouTube living opening toys. So if we can make a living off of Nerf wars, hell yeah, we're a walking commercial.
Basically, right now.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Well, yeah, that's their spiel.
They get like 20-year-olds on their commercials all the time.
1, 2, 3,
At least they
4,
used to have
5,
20-year-olds on their
6,
commercials.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need like one more bullet.
You can deal with one absent bullet, or grab it.
No,
Dark Souls reference.
No, I'm thinking of our D&D session.
Oh, when things went up Jeff's ass.
Yeah, Jeff's butt. The
Johnny,
huh?
how are you supposed to fire this weapon with no ammo?
It
has very little ammo.
Just one in the chamber. That's all I need. Boom! Headshot.
Nah, Johnny, just
Yeah,
forget
hold
it.
still.
Johnny, we'll get it next time.
No, hold up. I'm. Exactly. Exactly those words.
In that order, in that sentence.
Yes.
Structure?
Yes.
Grammar.
What the fuck, that?
Exactly.
Johnny,
Huh?
grab the dual mag.
What do?
I
Oh,
want
okay.
to test something real quick.
This is exactly how I want to be remembered or introduced to the universe in the YouTube format.
With no points.
I'm not ashamed of that.
Okay.
I'm just out here about PJ.
Let's
Sorry.
see if
Nice PJs.
it's working.
Yeah, backwards.
There you go.
That works. That's a 12 by 12, so that's a 24.
Now my feet can breathe.
You guys ready?
Was someone at the door?
No.
No,
Okay.
I threw my shoe.
Oh, okay. Ready! Zip! Burp!
Good guy.
Oh, this one's completely automatic.
Yeah, you just pull the trigger and it goes.
Oh, that was close.
Thankfully, I hit the gun first.
Johnny, I need you to keep them busy.
Alright.
Are you trying to hit me in the dome?
Yep.
It's the only thing that's visible.
Literally.
Ah,
That's the only thing we have a shot on, man. What are we gonna shoot at? The line behind the couch?
pretty much.
He nearly shot me. Keep them busy.
I need to reload real quick.
God damn it!
Sorry. I'm trying to be more. I was trying to be a bit more conservative with my ammo.
I didn't feel anything.
Oh, right in the
That's
knee.
one.
There. In the head. Oh, that's two right in the shoulder. One in the shoulder. I got two shot left.
You just keep firing. I got.
Why did you hit me in the eye?
No, I didn't feel anything.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. I know my GoPro took
sure,
it.
he's trying to aim for the thing.
Are you watching the feed? Of course he's watching the feed.
My feed's on my head, so I can't really see anything from here.
What the hell are you talking about? What we're aiming at then? Ah!
Got him.
That's one in the head.
That's 2. I got you before.
Yeah, that's 2.
Yeah, that's 2.
Oh. Johnny's left.
Yep.
He just, come on now. I can't even cover me. I won't cover, man.
You're gonna get.
I can't breathe.
Ah, dang it. I'm dead. My thing overheated.
Jesus. That time was the time to do it all.
Oh no, I got jammed. That's what happened. I jammed.
Okay, no, I didn't.
Ah. I would have been able to come back if my gun didn't jam. Alright.
This gun jammed too.
Well, this is going to be all for this video here. We are 34 minutes into it. Everyone, want to say goodbye before we start the next